Dear students, today I am going to discuss Unit 4th of Operations Management, and the unit covers all the concepts related to supply chain management. Before going to discuss the main topic of supply chain management as per the AKTU syllabus, I am going to brief some basic elements of supply chain management. What are the objectives? What are the various decision phases of supply chain management? So let's start. What is supply chain management? Supply chain management is simply a set of approaches utilized to efficiently integrate supplies, manufacturers, warehouses, retail outlets so that merchandise is produced and distributed at the right quantity to the right location at the right time in order to minimize system-wise cost while satisfying service level employment. Now move on to the next topic, that is objectives of supply chain management. There are a number of objectives which I have already mentioned in my notes. Let's discuss one by one. First one is to maximize overall value generation. As we all know that in supply chain management there are a number of phases. So our main objective is to maximize our overall value. This can be achieved if we focus in each and every stage to maximize the value in each and every stage. So the overall value generation will definitely get maximized. The next is to look for sources of revenue and cost. There are number of sources comes under the cost category, but very limited sources comes under the category of revenue. The mainly or only one source, that is customer. Customer is the only source comes under the category of revenue. So our main focus is to minimize our cost so that we can maximize the profit. And while taking any decision related to the supply chain management, our focus is on both the terms, that is revenue and cost. Now move on to the next, that is a replenishment of the material or product whenever requirement. Now next is cost quality improvement, and then shortening time to order and faster speed to market. And the last one is to optimize pre and post production inventory level. Okay, now the next topic of this supply chain management is decision phase. According to supply chain management, there are three decision phases, or we can say three levels of decision phases. First one is supply chain strategy, second is supply chain planning, third one is supply chain operations. In the first phase of the supply chain strategy, we have to structure the supply chain in such a manner which we have to follow in the coming years. And while framing this structure, our focusing area, or we can say our decision related to the location, capacities, product to be manufactured, and the transportation, and many more while framing the structure. Okay, now move on to the next phase or decision phase, that is supply chain planning. In planning phase, firstly we have forecast, and according to that forecast we have to identify the market and then plan our subcontracting and also frame inventory policies on the basis of the forecast. And the last, that is supply chain operation. In this phase our focus is on the customer order, and we have to fulfill the order within the time frame and in the best possible manner. Okay, thank you students.